Hello everyone, welcome to the R50 channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove or delete images on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing menu, and then we're going to go to the third section and subsection number 1 by using 4 of these buttons to navigate through the menus. And now we're going to find erase images in subsection number 1 and click set to select that option, and here you can select what type of images you want to delete, so like a range of images, all images in folder, all images on card, or you can select your own custom images. So now that you've found the image that you want to delete, you can just press set to delete said image, and then click menu to confirm it, and then select erase selected images. OK. And now if we go to our camera roll, as you can see, I don't have any other images. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.